Hi guys, so today we are in Panorama Baru and we're gonna see this place around. Let's go!
Panorama Baru is a tourist destination in Bukittinggi, located in just a 5-minute drive from the city center. Upon entry, we paid 10,000 rupiah per person. This place is still under development, but it's well equipped with the facilities such as a prayer room, clean toilets, food and drinks from local smaller business, a children playground, a tree house, photo spots, and gazebos. From here, you can see the towering Mount Singalang, a beautiful blend of the surrounding cliffs and the river below. It's highly recommended for a family vacation. Having a lunch at the lane above the clouds gave us a truly unique experience. In fact, this spot is one of the best for catching the sunrise and sunset.
See you!